Hello everyone! Welcome back to Sue's Cooking and Outdoors. We are April the 6th today, and I'd like to talk about my two GardePro cameras. I got to say I'm very happy with them, and the sound, the quality, and now I've put them in the bush. I put the first one in the beginning of March, and another one about the middle of March. So this morning I'm going to go and pick one up, because if you can see right here, I have my two here activated. This one is on the solar panel. It's 100% plugged in. I'm going to pick this one up, bring it back home, and my solar panel I'm going to transfer to my other one because my battery is only 57%. And what I like about this is that I have two cameras activated, and if I want to see the what's on the cameras, like the first camera, I click here, it's the photo gallery, and everything is on there. So this is the footage I'm anxious to get to share with my viewers. The image quality is wonderful. And then I want to go back onto my second camera, which I want to leave out there longer because I don't have as much footage as I had put it out later in the month of March. So I'm going to hook the solar panel up to this one. I gotta say, it's fun. I enjoy doing this. So now I'm going to head out to the bush. Okay, I arrived. Cold day today, dressed like winter again. I shut the camera off. This is the one I want to take home to get my what's on my SD card, and I'm going to bring it back. I can bring it back right away because the battery is still 100% because of the solar panel. Now on to my next camera. So I have my solar panel on my other camera. It's there now. And before I leave, I would like to check just to be sure that everything is fine. But I will be back to put my camera. Yes, okay. If you can see, this one now is offline. I'm going to go get my videos off my SD card, and I'm going to bring it back to the same spot. And this is the one where I put the solar panel. It's at 57 and it is charging. So I'm on my way back home now. Okay, I'm going to get the information off my SD card. I got my cable that came with my camera. Put the camera on. Card reader is what it says. So now I will go and get my stuff. GardePro open up my other file to transfer it. Okay, my GardePro. This one is a SUZANNE, I believe. Okay, it's all there. It's going to transfer this over to here. It says copying 194 items. This camera I had put out in the beginning of March, like I repeated, and it wasn't activated right away. I only got it activated a week or two later, at the same time as my other one. Okay, so what do I got? Oh, I got stuff on there. 193 items. Got footage on here. Well, I'm going to check all this out and I will get a video up. So now I will go back here and I will shut the camera off. And I'm going to get it back out into the bush. Okay, now I'm just going to reformat my card before getting it into the bush. Menu. Format SD card. Right there. Okay. Yes. Successful. Back into the bush I go. Press to stop. Ready for hybrid mode. So the camera is on. Now I have the camera on. Before leaving, I just want to be sure that everything is going well. Cameras, yes. So this is the one I just put up here. It's online. It's 100%. And my other one here, what we worked out earlier. So that is good. So what I like about these GardePro cameras, as I repeat often, the quality is fantastic, the sound. And if you are interested in purchasing one, I'll leave a link down below. You can take a look and you can purchase any camera and or accessories, and you will get a 15% discount if you use my promotion code. I'll leave that in the link down below. And I say that these cameras are pretty good if you have a camp, a cottage, and you want to put a camera up to see what's going on for security reasons. Well, it's pretty good. You purchase a plan, you get it activated, and you see what's going on right away. If there's movement, it will detect, and you'll always know what's happening. And if you do not buy a plan, well, sure, the SD card will pick up what's going on, but you won't have it in your hands right away. So that's what I like about having an activated plan, because you get to see what's going on. You put the camera in the bush, and before you leave, well, okay, everything's going fine, because it wouldn't be funny if you go home and you live far from your camp and oh boy, it's not going. But anyways, I just got to say thank you very much for watching my video. Until next time, you all have a great day. Bye.